Rahim. Al-Rahman, Ilm, Al-Quran. So viewers, today is a very important point which I am going to show you and which we are going to discuss from Quran. Remember that all my knowledge is from only from Quran. I do not go out from Quran because the people who are going out of Quran, they are lost. They are friends of Shaitan. So that's why Allah Almighty have put a scale, boundary line, scale of limit. Allah Almighty have said, do not cross the limit. What is the limit? What is the scale of boundary? Is Quran, the book of Allah. It is a scale, it's a boundary line. Anyway, remember that Quran is not only a book. Quran is a completely whole system of universe, starting from sky and earth, and then it covers all points, all small problems of society. So Allah has given us guidance about everything. Today, the big problem of today's society is rape cases. And Allah Almighty have guided us that how to solve and how to make that decision and how to judge the rape cases. Especially in the West, the rape cases are so much that now, these days, the rape cases have become a way to get a fame in TV and in media, and then it's a way for the ladies to get rich. That's why in the beginning, the Western girls, the Western women, they are having friendship and they are having a party with the rich people and with the normal men even. And when these normals and poor guys, they are getting rich after 10 years, 20 years, then with the help of advocates, with the help of lawyers, these girls, they are making rape case on them to grab money from them, to eat money from them. They are creating a story. And this rape cases in Western society, they have become a big issue. And for the women, for the party girls, it's a way to get rich. Anyway, coming back to the real point, Allah has guided us that in rape cases, we should judge woman and a man equally with wisdom, with a sense. And for this guidance, Allah has guided us in chapter Yusuf, in verse 26, 27, 28. It's a long story, it's a long incident, and the complete incident is about the rape case. So Allah Almighty has guided us in this chapter that how to decide the rape case. When Zulaikha, the lady, called Yusuf in her room and tried to rape him, when they got caught, the woman Zulaikha completely put blame on Yusuf that he was trying to rape her forcefully. In that situation, Allah advised the people who was there, check the shirt of Yusuf. If the shirt of Yusuf is torn from the front, then Yusuf is guilty. And if the shirt of Yusuf is torn from the back, then the lady Zulaikha is guilty. Finally, people, they checked and they found that shirt of Yusuf was torn from the back, was damaged from the back. So people, with the help of Allah Almighty, they found that Yusuf is innocent and this woman Zulaikha, she is a guilty and she is a criminal. So finally, this incident and this matter, Allah is advising us that in any rape case, try to look and find who was trying to rape, who was trying to use force. And secondly, Allah Almighty is guiding us that we should judge where this incident was happened and what was the other circumstances. So this is a very important in chapter Yusuf. Remember that chapter Yusuf is completely about the justice for the stealing and for the rape cases. There are some surahs, some chapters in Quran which are completely for the justice. From that chapter, one of them is a chapter Yusuf, and second is a chapter Al-Kahf, and then there is a chapter Al-Rath. So there are a lot of chapters which inshallah I am going to show you slowly. But remember, in any case or in any circumstances, in any situation, Allah Almighty have strictly guide us that do not cross the boundary line, do not cross my scale, the scale of limit, the scale of boundary. What is scale of boundary is Quran, the book of Allah. Allah Almighty is telling us, in any situation, do not go out from my book. If you have a more problem, you can consultate the Bible, the Torah, the Jewish book, because all these books are same. That's why in Quran Allah Almighty have give us a chapter consultation, chapter Al-Shuri, Surah Al-Shuri. Why? Because Allah Almighty is telling us, if you need help, go to the other books which I revealed to the peoples and get a help from them. But do not go out from book. Do all the decisions, all the judgment according to the book, according to my verses. So today I have shown you the rape cases, and inshallah in coming week I'm going to show you the other points and the other issues of the women's. Inshallah. Just keep watching. We are going deeper and deeper with the help of Allah Almighty. Thank you.